Hey everyone, my name is Josh Kroenke. Yeah, just like the owner of the Denver Nuggets. But I'm not into basketball or management, and I'm definitely not a billionaire. What I do know is cars, and that's exactly what I talk about on this channel. All right, enough with the intro. Let's get into today's topic.
Emissions reduction. Sensors are also critical to meeting emission standards, as they help keep engine combustion within allowable limits. For example, the oxygen sensor monitors exhaust gases and allows the fuel mixture to be adjusted to reduce pollutant emissions. If the sensors are not working properly, the car could emit more pollutants, which is not only harmful to the environment, but could also lead to failure of emissions tests and costly repairs. Overall vehicle performance, sensors such as speed, throttle position and tire pressure directly affect the vehicle's handling and performance. A faulty speed sensor could interfere with the cruise control, traction control or automatic transmission system, while an inaccurate tire pressure sensor could result in uneven tire wear and reduced fuel efficiency. Why it's important that your car's sensors are working properly. In some models, their oriented control modules have more than 200 sensors. All of them, in addition to monitoring different systems, send this information to the engine control unit (ECM). With this data, the computer automatically makes the necessary adjustments to operate in optimal conditions in terms of temperature, cooling, oil pressure, emission levels, speed, etc. Types of car sensors: airflow sensor, located inside the combustion chamber. The airflow sensor is in charge of measuring the volume and density of this element that enters the engine for optimum performance, so if it fails it can cause fuel consumption to increase. Engine detonation sensor. It monitors the ignition process of the air-fuel mixture before the spark plugs produce the spark necessary to make this possible. With respect to the engine speed sensor, it sends the appropriate information for the ECU to calculate the exact time to perform the fuel injection and activate the spark plugs. Camshaft position sensor. It is responsible for controlling the timing of this component until the air enters the cylinder and the burn gases exit at the right time. Voltage sensor. As far as engine revolutions are concerned, the voltage sensor is in charge of monitoring that they are adequate. But in case of not issuing such information, it may cause a decompensation of the vehicle's heart. These are some examples. There are more sensors that fulfill important functions, but you can already have a general idea of the relevance that sensors have in today's vehicles. You may also be interested in how you can bypass an oxygen sensor for your car. What is ADAS and what does this driver assistance system usually include in cars? What causes the knock sensor to break down? When is the right time to change your car's timing belt? Tips to extend the life of your tires and avoid premature wear and tear. Car oxygen sensor ECT sensor, function, diagnosis and replacement. Car sensors cruise what it means in a car. In conclusion, car sensors are essential components that significantly enhance vehicle operation, safety, and efficiency. By providing timely warnings about irregularities, potential hazards, and maintenance issues, these sensors help drivers stay informed and proactive. As technology continues to advance, the role of sensors in ensuring a safe driving experience will only become more critical. Understanding and maintaining these systems is key to maximizing the performance and longevity of your vehicle. Thank you for watching, and drive safely.